Well, in terms of overview of experience, I've been working with Idis for the last 4 years, leading Idis' consulting department. So we deal a lot with our clients in the early access arena, developing strategies, policies around early access, and also helping them gain the most from their early access programs. So compliant communications, market research, and capture of real-world data. And the reason why I came here to the conference was it's a good opportunity to meet people from within the industry, so other vendors and people working in this space, but also to meet some colleagues and clients, so clients we're currently working with and potential clients as well. Well, I was here yesterday for the workshop, so I participated in the workshop, which is an overview of early access and how to prepare your organisation considerations for early access, which was a nice, close group of people, very small and very focused, and it was good to have a sort of wide-ranging discussion with clients around their issues around early access and some of their key questions. There were a lot of recurring themes which came up amongst them around different aspects of early access. It was good to address that with them.
What was the most recurring theme?
Recurring aspects related to communications around access programs, what you can do in terms of raising awareness of your program, aspects to do with strategy and particularly policy, so a lot more focus now on having public policies on early access and what they need to do to achieve that. In terms of one particular challenge, I wouldn't say necessarily one, but in terms of, I think it's a much more active area, so there's a lot more focus on early access, so I think there's a lot of educational aspects to get. There's maybe not some joined up thinking with clients, so actually educating them about the principles of early access and allaying some of their concerns around early access. So with a lot more focus on early access, there's a sort of a greater need to educate so that people are aware of the potential benefits, potential risks of early access as well. I do attend quite a lot of conferences and sort of various client meetings, but it's a good opportunity to have a much more open forum, so it's a lot easier to discuss wider ranging issues and to meet, in this sort of setting, have people come to you with their questions. We meet a lot of clients here and potential clients, and they've come to this because they have a number of things that they'd like to understand around early access, so it's good to be able to come in and hopefully provide them with some guidance and reassurance. In terms of what we're seeing is a greater willingness for organisations to embed early access into their corporate strategy. So really considering early access within their product development life cycle. So we're seeing a lot more of our clients looking to have defined trigger points, usually around the end of phase 2, to actually put in place a plan for early access for particular assets. And that's really sort of driving things forward. So rather than early access being a reactive process, which it often used to be once you started experiencing demand at the end of phase 3, is now something that clients are planning for. So they're anticipating this demand and they understand that they need to make sure that they're positioned properly, they're ready to address that demand, and they're really sort of focusing on this now. So it's good to see that the industry are adopting that approach and really sort of taking a proactive approach to early access.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Okay, you're welcome.
I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Great, thank you.
Thanks very much. Nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.